नेक्स्ट टाइम सैम ऑल्टमैन तुम्हें बोले कि यू आर स्टूपिड, यू आर दिस, यू आर दैट, आस्क हिम कि क्या जब हम उसको थप्पड़ मारेंगे एआई के रोबोट को, उसको दर्द होगा?
Hi guys, welcome to 2Gs
This is Aishi
and this is Mansi.
and we are reporting straight from the Spiral Center. Woohoo!
So Aishi, what are we spiraling about today?
Today we are going to conspire how AI is making us colonial slaves. And our theory is based on one of the primary tasks that AI does, which is called cognitive offloading. So essentially, cognitive offloading is AI taking our mental tasks away. It offloads tasks like writing, coding, editing, thinking, making decisions. I've even written processing information, even designing. So, any task that requires mental labor, it takes it away and makes it a frictionless process for us. And by now that we know cognitive offloading, हम तीन arguments देंगे to argue how this very thing is making us colonial subjects. First things first, when you take away the mental task from a human being, you're also taking away the confidence of doing the mental task.
Second thing that we'll discuss is mythologizing the AI and its creator.
And the third thing is how AI takes the human labor and repackages it and sells it back to us as a superior product. Lot of people celebrate that now AI has made things quicker, more efficient by taking away the mental processes of doing the task itself. और ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग बायोलॉजी में जा सकते हैं, एथिक्स पे जा सकते हैं कि ये करना चाहिए कि नहीं, बट वन ऑफ द की थिंग्स जो हम लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं डिस्कस इज हाउ इट इज इम्पैक्टिंग अस साइकोलॉजिकली. इट्स नॉट ओनली कि वो आपका टास्क आपसे ले रहा है, बट 5 to 10 years डाउन द लेन अगर आप बार बार अपने मेंटल टास्क आउटसोर्स कर देते हैं टू एन AI, then what you are also doing is you are giving them the authority to feel confident about that task. I mean, there is more of a conversion where you start to think that it's not that I haven't practiced this particular skill, so I may be a bit rusty, but it becomes more on the fact like, oh, I don't know how to do the skill at all. And I would like to give an example for this because I think it's best explained. Jaise Mansi, our entire human civilization is dependent upon centuries after centuries navigating through the terrain and the seas. In fact, colonialism was built on people going onto the ship and trying to discover, quote unquote, new lands.
Vasco da Gama is crying.
Now after the GPS coming in, the same people who used to navigate the world around them feel like they can't even go to the kirana wale shop without putting Google Maps on.
Or like trusting their guts. Yeah, I know this.
Yes, exactly.
They are like कि Google बोल रहा है तो सही बोल रहा होगा.
सही बोल. And there are so many times when हाईवे पे तुम्हें पता है कि गूगल को भाई इंडिया की रोड्स नहीं मालूम है, नहीं पता है उसे यार कि तू जो शॉर्टेस्ट रास्ता बता रहे तू लिटरली छोटे गलियों और गांव से हमें लेके जाएगा, बट वी स्टिल वुड लाइक टू यूज गूगल मैप इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग आवर गट, बिकॉज वी आर लाइक कि अगर बाद में हम कोई चीज में फंस गए तो वी कैन ब्लेम गूगल.
Yes.
That's why I think these become a colonial setup is because we now have a master जो हमारे डिसीजन मेकिंग, हमारे मेंटल प्रोसेसेस, हमारे मेथड्स को हमसे टेक अवे करता है, एंड वी कीप गोइंग बैक टू द AI टू गेट वैलिडेटेड बाय.
So you have essentially hired a person who will tell you what you need to do the moment you wake up. And all of this is not even happening with your own free will, I think. it's like ki things are getting pushed to your face,
Absolutely.
that you have to use AI for your everything.
Hmm.
And if you're not doing it, then though you are just missing out. So this feeling of constant, I think, creation of FOMO also
You're
for the
missing
people.
you're missing out also that you are stupid for not taking the more efficient way out
While everybody is saying it's very good, it's very, I think we should all fear AI in that sense, that if I
Hmm.
have given my mind
to somebody
to
else.
somebody else, because ह्यूमन के पास है क्या, एक दिल और एक दिमाग ही तो है.
बिल्कुल सही.
There's nothing else we have.
that makes us uh, do things, right? एक दिल जो हमें डायरेक्शन देता है कि क्या करना है, which can also be translated as the mind and
Yeah.
a brain.
Yeah.
अगर एक चीज तुमने
हाँ.
तो तुम और स्पेशली फॉर ऑल द स्किल्स जो तुम एआई आने से पहले खुद ब खुद कर रहे थे. इट्स नॉट दैट तुमने कोई ऐसी चीज इजाद करी है जिसने जो चीज आज तक नहीं हुई है वो कर दी, right? You have literally gotten yourself something that is just doing something quicker for you that you have done for centuries, and then you are celebrating that. And that's why I will keep bringing back the colonial idea of it कि जब colonizers हमारे यहाँ आए थे तो उन लोगों ने हमारी ही एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को, हमारे ही तौर तरीके को लिया और उसको बोला कि हम तुमसे बेटर कर सकते हैं, और फिर हमारे तरीकों को बोलने लगा कि तुम तो बेवकूफ हो, तुम ये चीज नहीं कर सकते. Right, so we are, that is why the loop of, and over the time any colonial state, colonized state, sorry, any colonized state started to think that सही तो बोल रहे हैं शायद से, क्योंकि सारी तो तुमने चीजें हम से ले ली हैं, हमें ही बता रहे हो क्या करना है, तो शायद से हम में कुछ कमी होगी.
And this idea of like keeping a master for yourself is equivalent to having a colonizer ना.
But a
कि
different kind of
different kind
colonizer.
of colonizer, because इधर मुझे लगता है कि you don't even are saying it's a colonizer, you are thinking that he's your friend
Friend, yes, because
in the name of
Britishers ने भी
friendship.
Britishers
उसने
ने
भी सेम ही किया था, I get it, but उधर you still didn't have the power.
yes,
Everybody didn't have the power. Right now what we're doing is we're choosing ना.
we have the illusion of the power.
मेरा ChatGPT मेरा
मेरा चैट जीपीटी है, और वही है कि ये एक आइडियोलॉजी, एंड आई थिंक व्हाट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज कि कोई भी पावर डजंट जस्ट वर्क बाय फोर्स, it works on silent creation of a certain ideology that makes people enslaved by thinking that they are enslaved. और इधर मैं एक ट्विस्ट बताना चाहती हूँ कि इधर वो हमें बाय फोर्स ऐसे करता है कि बहुत अपने आप को माइथोलॉजाइज एंड एडवर्टाइज करता है, जो हम डिस्कस भी करेंगे. बट द आइडियोलॉजी इज ऑल्सो कि आप एक यस मैन दूसरे आदमी के लिए खड़ा कर दिया जो आपकी हर चीज वैलिडेट कर रहा है और आपको बता रहा है कि एग्जैक्टली तो ऐसा ही सोच जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, और स्मॉलर टाइम के लिए, एक छोटे पीरियड के लिए आपका काम रिड्यूस कर रहा है फॉर से, लाइक it is not delaying gratification, it is giving you gratification instantly. illusion like जैसे कि अगर हम गूगल पे भी जाते हैं तो अब उन्हें AI ओवरव्यू दे दिया है हमें, तो we don't even have to now click on different websites and read for ourselves and have kind of a sort of free will to decide whether this is right or wrong for us. No, अब AI overview तुम्हें बताता है यही चीज पढ़ो, यही आंसर है. तो in a small frame of time it seems, oh wow, what's the harm of it? But look at the ideology it is making us believe that, oh, we need to be dependent on AI for us to be constantly validated about what we are doing and what we are thinking. And later on AI तुम्हें पुच्ची कर करके अपने पे kind of addicts बना रहा है. And biologically it might also be causing issues with our brain.
It is. While we are not discussing anything physiologically, we're talking all the conceptual and the social and the everything else, not physiologically, that we all are forgetting things, we all are like nothing is getting stored in our long term memory. That's what I read, like everything is going in
Hmm.
your short term memory. That's why people right now, it's like co-depending on somebody, and you are asking them to take MOM, minutes of meeting.
Huh.
Please do,
Please
please
do.
do, please do, please do. Then while everybody is saying that it is making you efficient, but when you delegate all your tasks to AI, are you actually becoming efficient? No, because right now, with AI, I can code. I have never studied science. I can code,
Hmm.
and
You
it
can
could be
make a
the right
website.
code.
Huh.
It could be a right code, but am I? And can I call myself a professional in that?
I mean, at some point, you would not even be needed to be called a professional AI subject.
AI तो सभी ले चुका होगा, which is okay.
But Mansi, did you ever feel that when we used to physically write notes और डिस्कस तो उस फ्रिक्शन में हमारा कितना ब्रेन चलता है
Hmm.
मतलब most of the time we keep thinking about something and then outside of stimulation एकदम से एक idea pop कर जाता है so this is a natural way our brain functions but now that the AI has taken away that friction from us how will your brain grow
Grow. Yeah.
so not only is your brain not growing, you have taken the given the task to the AI who is telling you I can do it better than you. So now you will start to feel that अच्छा मेरे को memory issues तो हो ही रहे हैं काम भी वो सारा वो ही कर रहा है तो अब मैं AI के बिना जी नहीं सकता
हाँ.
मैं जी नहीं सकता मैं
It's
कैसे
like a cocaine for you.
हाँ मैं कैसे सरवाइव करूंगा क्योंकि अब मैं पिछले 7 साल से अपने ऑफिस ईमेल लिख रहा था बट जैसे एआई आया तो मैं अपने ईमेल्स कैसे लिखूंगा
And yeah, it's like giving away the basic trust that you have in yourself. So
हम्म,
actually creating more of insecurities, more of self doubts, more of everything. मैं बहुत अच्छा काम कल तक करती थी, बट आज मेरे को नहीं पता ये काम कैसे होता है.
हाँ क्योंकि हम हाँ क्योंकि हम प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं कर रहे हैं
हाँ.
और स्किल हो नहीं करोगे तो स्किल भी डिटोरिएट होगी बट कॉन्फिडेंस भी डिटोरिएट हो जाएगा
And
ना
the core is confidence is going.
ये might be a larger repercussions of how we see ourselves because अब AI आ गया है जो quote unquote हमसे better कर सकता है that's what brings us to the second argument that it's not only that we are going through some kind of skill ka issue but AI has also been advertised as this big mythology it has been advertised as this big god great super intelligence and I would definitely um, credit Sam Altman for it so like I said कि जैसे मानसी अभी बोल रही थी कि the, it is pushed on our faces so what is being pushed it is the mythology of the AI being this super intelligent and end all technology that will replace everything and you can even see how this kind of advertising and marketing and creation of a mythos is also associated with Sam Altman ना सैम ऑल्टमैन के भी आप देखोगे वो अपने को भगवान से कम नहीं समझ लाइक भगवान का बंदा भी नहीं वो अपने को भगवान ही समझता है
हाँ.
right and I would like to take a moment to read one of the blogs where he's talking about the process of making AI and I will link it down in the description because you should also read it and it will be so while I was reading I was like wow I wish I had this much confidence
इतना
in my life
narcissism कहाँ से आ रहा है?
so he starts by writing, we are past the event horizon. The takeoff has started. Humanity is close to building digital super intelligence, and at least so far, it is much less weird than it seemed like it should be. I mean, yeah, matlab, he's making it, so why would it be weird?
Yeah.
Robots are not yet walking the street, nor are most of us talking to AI all day. Matlab, he's making his way for us to do that. People still die of disease. We still can't easily go to space. and there is a lot about the universe we don't understand. And yet, we have recently built systems that are smarter than people in many ways. AI will contribute to the world in many ways, but the gains to quality of life from AI driving faster scientific process and increased productivity will be enormous. So essentially, what he's saying that AI is God.
क्योंकि आप मर सकते हो, आप तो ह्यूमन हो, एआई कैसे मरेगा? उसके पास तो है, आप उसको रीबूट करो। हमारा
रीबूट
रीबर्थ तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है, बट उसका रीबर्थ तो पॉसिबल है।
रीबर्थ नहीं, वो कल्कि के बाद का बता कि तो उसने मतलब I get that it's more efficient, but I would demand from Sam Altman to provide me longitudinal studies where एक task AI और humans को दिया जाए and then we see, taking away the time quotient of it, see then the quality of work. क्योंकि कोई चीज अगर फास्टर हो सकती है इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो ह्यूमन से बेटर है.
इन नो वे इट इज बेटर।
No, it is better. And have you seen Sam Altman's interviews? The way he
द वे ही पोर्ट्रेज लाइक यू आर स्टूपिड, आप उससे थेरेपी ले रहे हो, यू आर स्टूपिड, आप उससे रोज बात कर रहे हो। भाई, यू हैव गिवन मी अ स्पेस टू आस्क अ टूल कि ओ मेरे दिमाग, मेरे आज सर में दर्द है, तो प्लीज बताओ जरा क्या हो सकता है मेरा। तो अगर आपने मुझे वो टूल दिया एंड यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली पुशिंग इट, एंड ऑल द अदर in a capitalist world, all the other apps are also giving me AI daily in everyday task कि आप इससे हेल्प ले लो। आपको एक नॉर्मल व्हाट्सएप मैसेज के लिए भी नाउ यू हैव एन AI। आपको अगर अमेजोन पे कुछ डिलीवरी कर रही है, आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, तो भी आपके लिए AI है। हाउ वुड यू एक्सपेक्ट मी टू नॉट यूज AI while AI is getting pushed to my face every day and is being called super
intelligence.
intelligent, which means of course my I will not even call myself intelligent, and you are saying somebody is super intelligent. Why would I not take its help to do my task, to decide, to take a call for me? And as a person who is so conscious, who is always in self doubts, if I have a co-partner who tells me कि भाई मैं तुझे कह रहा हूँ ये सही है, तो मैं क्यों ट्रस्ट ना करूँ उसे?
हाँ,
एंड यू हैव legit taken my part to even decide that कि मैं उसे ट्रस्ट करूँ या नहीं करूँ।
क्योंकि पूरे टाइम हमारे फेस पे तुमने मतलब पुश कर रखा है.
हाँ, and every company is like, of course as a corporate girl, every company, every person is coming to my face, if you're not using AI you're stupid,
हाँ. And
including him.
including him, and he has this god complex. I mean, we might find more clips अगर हम दिखा सके.
बट वो अपने आप को गॉड तो मानेगा ना, बिकॉज व्हाट ही इज आल्सो क्लेमिंग इज व्हाट ही हैज बिल्ट इज सेकंड ह्यूमन ब्रेन। फर्स्ट ह्यूमन ब्रेन तो भगवान ने ही बनाया था, और अगर वो कह रहा है आई हैव मेड द सेकंड ह्यूमन ब्रेन, ऑफ कोर्स ही विल हैव दिस सर्टेन लेवल ऑफ गॉड कॉम्प्लेक्स दैट ही इज कीपिंग एंड देन कॉलिंग एवरीबॉडी एल्स
stupid. Anybody else that is not ChatGPT is stupid. And मतलब वो बहुत स्मार्ट है मानसी, वो ब्रिटिशर्स की एक और काम कर रहा है. ठीक है, वैसे टू बी गिव यू अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट हाउ दिस इज रिलेटेड टू colonialism is because if you think about all the arguments that colonial like all the things that the colonizers used to give is ideologically they used to consider themselves as more superior and more civilized, and they would call even Kipling's very famous poem A White Man's Burden जिसमें वो ये जताते थे कि ओ the it is on the back of a white man the burden to civilize the rest of the world who is uncouth and uncivilized, just like Sam Altman कि भाई तुम्हारे को चैट जीपीटी से अच्छा लग रहा है तो तुम बेवकूफ हो. एंड वो एक चीज और बड़ा मजेदार कर रहा है मानसी कि ही इज मेकिंग अस फील आइसोलेटेड.
यस,
You know, that's how chat gpt works because पहले, like you have pointed out so many times to me, that our knowledge systems are made to be communal in nature. तभी हम टीचर के पास जाते हैं, गुरु, आप गुरु के पास जाते हो, लाइब्रेरीज में बैठते हो, कॉफी हाउसेस में जाते हो बात करने के लिए, एंड आप कॉन्ट्रेरियन थॉट प्रोसेसेस को भी लेते हो. बट जब आपने एक टेक्नोलॉजी ऐसी खड़ी कर दी है जहाँ पर आदमी जब उस टेक्नोलॉजी से बात करते हो, उसके पास पूरे टाइम एक कॉन्फर्मेशन बायस आ रहा है, तो यू गेट मोर एंड मोर आइसोलेटेड एंड इन योर ओन बबल. And when that happens, then it's sort of like a divide and rule.
Yeah.
You are isolating, and in isolation you feel only chat gpt can understand me, and you antagonize the people around them who are being contrarian to what you are saying or giving you a different opinion, and that's how the hold of AI becomes stronger.
Yeah. Whitewashing in certain sense, that जो हम पहले discuss कर रहे थे, like taking away that power to take decision, because I am right now telling you that whatever you were doing was not right and I can tell you better.
Yes, and the better is only defined by quicker.
Yes.
It gives wrong answers, by the way.
Yeah, if you use your brains. Like I was discussing with one of the colleague and he said that AI is making him intelligent. I always have a contrary opinion, because AI is not making me too intelligent.
Hmm.
Of course, it is faster in the sense it will pull out the things that I would need, like abhi chahiye, right? But if I go in a research mode, I don't think so. Any AI can help me do a deep research.
Hmm.
I will have to go through books. I will books in the sense it could be digital books. I'm not saying that, but I have to dig deeper in terms of my questions also.
Hmm.
So if that intelligence that you are calling intelligence, if that is also taken away in the sense that my power to question, because you have told me that I am superior.
Hmm.
अगर कोई कॉलोनाइजर को कोई क्वेश्चन थोड़ी कर रहा था, बहुत ही बाद में जो रिबेल हुआ
हाँ.
वो रिबेल हुआ, but for certain period तो you were just following whatever they were saying because they have claimed themselves to be
superior, and they have um, and that's why a lot of our independence and freedom movement happened because we went back to our culture and started reclaiming it. तो क्या ये भी एक सिनेरियो आ सकता है for us to go back to what truly means to be a human, to combat this really capitalistic, colonial lord like startup owners like Sam Altman, who is pushing this narrative, because it is giving them more than money, it's giving them power to control the entire world and the discourse and what dominant thinking should be like everywhere.
Yeah.
So it is quite scary, and people like are only talking about data mining, and of course these are very important things to talk about. But what is also important for us to discuss, how it's sort of a new colonial regime that we are coming into, और हम मजे से खुशी खुशी, इवन मैंने अभी सोरा सोरा 2 के एड्स देखे थे, तो इफ यू कैन सी द वे they are presenting their advertising ki, oh, it is better than what a human being can make in a video. Making something very close to human being is not the best thing. Where is the freaking creativity? And that
And while I would like to just point out that AI will get stronger in the sense it will be able to ideate better, it will be able to do whatever better than me. I am not saying that.
Hmm.
But the fact that we should fear about is it taking away our power to do the same thing.
यस, बट मानसी, इसी पे मुझे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था, बिकॉज जब वो लोग कह रहे हैं कि एडवर्टाइज कर रहे हैं कि एआई हमारा रिप्लेस कर रहा है, हमें रिप्लेस कर रहा है, क्या चीज रिप्लेस कर रहा है?
That is the question.
बहुत बड़ी बात है, मतलब कि क्योंकि when we are thinking about what is being replaced, we have to think about first what are we, what makes us a human being, for us to see कि अच्छा इस चीज को AI रिप्लेस कर रहा है. What makes us a human being, Mansi?
I think what makes somebody a human is the ability to feel.
Hmm.
Ability to feel not express, but the ability to feel
Feel
also.
the
क्योंकि
abstract.
द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट,
Hmm.
कि जो भी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फीलिंग्स है वो एआई उतना, मेरे को नहीं लगता कभी एआई वो जीवन जी पाएगा जो हम जी रहे हैं, जो
Hmm.
हमें ह्यूमन बनाता है. आई डोंट थिंक सो. नॉलेज एज सच मेक्स अस ह्यूमन, नॉलेज मेक्स अस वट एवर
Hmm.
टॉकेबल. बट
Hmm. It
आई
makes
थिंक,
make us make sense of what we feel.
yeah, it helps us make a
Hmm.
sense of it. But what I feel, can AI feel that? And if it starts to feel that way, then please do feel whatever I feel.
मतलब फिर तो वी आर डूम्ड.
हाँ, फिर तो आप सब चिट्टी की तरह रोड पे घूम सकते हो. आई डोंट केयर रोबोट्स, क्योंकि वो बोल ही रहा है रोबोट्स घूम रहे हैं तो घूम लो भाई. आई डोंट माइंड दैट. एंड माई फियर इज नॉट गेटिंग रिप्लेस्ड बाय एन एआई. माई फियर इज लूजिंग मानसी. आई थिंक माई फियर इज नॉट इवन कि अरे वो मेरे से कुछ ले जाएगा, बट वो मेरे से मेरा बेसिक थिंकिंग स्किल अगर लेके जा रहा है, विच इज कॉग्निटिव ऑफलोडिंग, like in a crux, right? Which also colonizers did. They basically took the ability to think, question, and everything.
Everything.
And that is what AI is doing.
एंड टू बैक ट्रैक टू द आइडिया ऑफ फीलिंग, मैं इसलिए उसको फीलिंग को भावना के से नहीं कंपेयर कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज व्हाट मानसी इज ट्राइंग टू से इज, और दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव टोल्ड सो मेनी पीपल, इज दैट what is human sentience? For us right now we are defining it as something that is abstract. I even gave this an example, but if somebody slaps you, the pain of that slap is very abstract, and when you translate that pain into words, it will be close to what you feel, but there is always a loss in it. आप मतलब एग्जैक्टली exactly नहीं बता सकते कि आप कैसा एक्सपीरियंस किया हो थप्पड़ के बाद. आप मेटाफर्स दे सकते हो, आप यार तूने मुझे इतनी तेज मारा मेरा मुंह लाल हो गया, यार मेरे को झंझनाहट का एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है, यार मैं तेरे से बहुत नाराज हूँ. बट जो एग्जैक्ट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फीलिंग है वो लॉस हो जाता है जब आप वर्ड्स में बोलते हो. और एआई इज अ लैंग्वेज मॉडल, तो वो आपके वर्ड्स को मिमिक कर सकता है, बट वो एब्स्ट्रैक्शन कैसे मिमिक करेगा, क्योंकि उसके लिए चिंतन चाहिए, उसके लिए आप फिलॉसफी में जाओ तो कॉन्शियसनेस चाहिए, एक आत्मा चाहिए, क्योंकि आत्मन में ही चिंतन है. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज टेलिंग मानसी कि यार मुझे नहीं लगता एआई हमें इस सेंस में रिप्लेस कर सकता है, क्योंकि अनुराग कश्यप अगर मूवी बनाता है और व्हाट मेक्स हिम एन ऑट्योर, ऑल द थिंग्स of his freehand styling, going to the interiors of India, shooting, gangster, gali, all these, all his, he can mimic it because it is very easily encoded then decoded. But what made him to that point, for him to to understand and grasp these things of the world and translate it into his filmmaking, वो कैसे AI करेगा, क्योंकि उसके लिए जीवन जीना बहुत जरूरी है. Having a consciousness to filter those experiences in and then deciding for yourself कि मुझे अब इन experiences से क्या करना है.
एंड ऑल्सो एक्सपीरियंसेस, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है इट्स एडेड थिंग कि while I am experiencing certain things, I can't experience it all, right? Simple. So I talked to Ayushi. Ayushi has certain other experiences, which now makes it a collective experience of sort because we start expressing each other. Now, what we were saying, that when you go in that illusion of living alone, because AI is there to help you with everything. तो आपको humans की क्या जरूरत है? Then it takes away all of humanity. The basic, I think what basic humans do is have a communal bonding,
हाँ मतलब we are social animals.
have a communal experiences. तो आपके पास बात करने को एक है जिसने शायद आपकी तरह लाइफ जी है, क्योंकि वो आपकी तरह आपको फील करवा सकता है. मे बी इट इज एडवांस टू अ लेवल दैट इट स्टार्ट्स फीलिंग, इट स्टार्ट, बट विल इट बी एबल टू फील एवरीथिंग?
नो आइडिया, मतलब सैम ऑल्टमैन को ही कॉल लगाना पड़ेगा. या सो नेक्स्ट टाइम सैम ऑल्टमैन तुम्हें बोले कि यू आर स्टूपिड, यू आर दिस, यू आर दैट, आस्क हिम आस्क हिम कि क्या जब हम उसको थप्पड़ मारेंगे एआई के रोबोट को उसको दर्द होगा?
ये मेरे को बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि ह्यूमंस आर वीक, है ना, ह्यूमंस आर वीक क्योंकि वो मर जाते हैं।
मॉर्टल
हाँ,
ये
क्योंकि वो मॉर्टल है, मर जाते हैं, या ह्यूमंस बीमार हो जाते हैं, या ह्यूमंस गो थ्रू शिट, robots will not go through shit.
वी आर पेरिशेबल,
Hmm.
रोबोट्स आरंट, और एआई वोंट बी। एआई मतलब एक पेन ड्राइव से दूसरे के में डाल देगा, समथिंग लाइक दिस। पर मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ऑन व्हाट स्केल डू यू कंसिडर mortality as a weakness?
हाँ.
Again, these are very arbitrary scales that are given to us कि हाँ, dying is bad,
Nine is weak.
weak,
हाँ.
dying is weak. But if you'll ask somebody who loves God so much and believes in an afterlife with God, do you think they will consider dying to be a weak thing? I don't think so. They'll be like, oh, robot कितना बकवास आया, ये भगवान से भी नहीं
ये
मिल
मर ही
सकता,
नहीं पा रहा है.
ये मर ही नहीं पा रहा, मोक्ष ही नहीं मिल पा रहा है।
But then you are also surrendering to the second creator, which is Sam Altman.
Sam Altman. That is gold. हमने भगवान बदल लिए। And the last argument is, which is कि हमारा, like, if you look at how the AI mimics us, what it does is वो मतलब I don't want to use a bad word, but it takes the labor of humans and century long pursuit of knowledge and skill, then trains on it, ठीक है, and then repackages it कि ओ हो मैंने बड़ा efficiently इसको repackaging and then sells it back to us, and you're like वाह वाह AI क्या मजा आ गया। And this is something that was very evident in Ghibli. Do you know how much thought that went into making Ghibli studio? उसने उस बेचारे से स्टूडियो का सारा काम ले लिया, लोगों को बोला अच्छा अपनी फोटो डालो और गिबलीफाई करो। मैंने भी की वैसे, आई मस्ट से। मानसी डिड नॉट।
I'm a true God believer.
Yeah. True God versus false God. So this is what also happened in India, that they cut off the thumbs of our weavers and took our textile, went there, sponsored and made their industries, and then brought back our own very textile and sold it to us and got profits out of it. And that's what AI is also doing, like they're taking our labor, what makes and then telling us simultaneously that you're stupid, you're so stupid, you can never make this, but we did it first. So a lot of dealing with AI is to reclaim that भाई ये हमारा ही knowledge है, systems है जो तुम कर रहे हो।
And also the funny fact is, while we give everything to AI, we still think it is doing a better job than us. Better job in the sense कि we are losing out कि ये मेरा idea थोड़ी है, मैंने तो chat GPT से लिखवाया. That
हाँ।
confidence is also getting lost. While the original thought you only put into it. It just structured it better, or even structured it worst.
Structure
And
it
maybe
quicker.
you could have sat down and wrote a better version of it, but you decided to be efficient in capitalist world, and you decided to give it away. And then you also, like, it happens with me, maybe it's not happening with you, but whenever I ask ChatGPT to do it, मेरी insecurity आ जाती है, तो मेरा idea ही नहीं है.
हाँ।
While I have given everything to it.
Which means कि if you have given chat gpt 10% of your workload, but still you will feel that oh this was done by chat gpt, because you will forget the 90% of it,
Yes.
right? And this happens with me too, that if I'm ideating or I'm brainstorming something and sometimes I need something to bounce off, और अगर मैंने वो इसके साथ AI के साथ ही कर लिया, तो I will start to feel like it's not my idea.
Yes. And that's why people are crediting ChatGPT for things. It's not even legend.
I mean, हाँ मतलब, and I would like to point it out that why is it always the responsibility of an individual to always have abstinence from these things, even when there should be larger frameworks that protect us from all of this.
Yeah.
राइट, क्योंकि अगर हम लोगों को तुम क्विकर खाना, क्विकर शॉपिंग, क्विकर थिंकिंग सेल कर रहे हो और सेल ही करे जा रहे हो, और हमारा ही सामान चोरी करके हम ही वापस बेच रहे हो, और फिर कह रहे हो कि तुम बेवकूफ हो, तुम्हें एब्सटिनेंस करना, तो लाइक that is the problem of today's world. Nobody wants to take responsibility, and everything has come down to an individual responsibility. If you don't want your brain to corrode, if you don't want to feel underconfident, you don't use AI. बट हम तो पूरे टाइम उसको मार्केट करेंगे, और एक इकोनॉमी जहाँ एफिशिएंसी इज रिवॉर्डेड, उस इकोनॉमी में तुम पीछे रहो, तुम प्रॉफिट्स मत लो, तुम एक अच्छा जीवन नहीं जी पाओ.
And we are taking away your free will with your approvals.
अप्रूवल्स या
हम तुम्हारी फ्री विल भी ले रहे हैं उसमें, क्योंकि आप तो एआई आपको मना किया है बट आप यूज कर रहे हो, बट इट्स ओके.
इट्स ओके. लाइक तुम
And all these quicker things
hmm.
are actually leading to our quicker memory loss.
quicker memory loss, like it's, I feel like there will be later on a very big study where they will associate dementia with coming of chat
I was even
gpt.
reading a paper that is saying that our IQ is decreasing
हाँ, वो तो पहले भी नहीं
after
था.
2020. No, after AI, there legit research where people are saying that our IQ is actually decreasing. So it is because we have stopped learning.
Stop learning, and I feel it's more on the thing about friction. Friction is, and I even read, and I even saw a reel that before the coming of motor cars, people used to walk everywhere, and now people have to make they have to simulate physical work through a gym. मतलब उनको अपनी बॉडी को एक, मतलब हाउ, if you think 500 years ago, we'll tell somebody that there is a machine where you walk and you go nowhere, how ridiculous will that sound to them? And now we have treadmills. So I think in a dystopian world, will there be some kind of forms of us also exercising our mind and brains, because a lot of it has been outsourced to chat gpt. Huh. So that is a huge thing that.
And also, I would just like to add on that similar arguments must have happened when computer was invented. Like, will it replace human? Will it do things? But what we are also arguing is maybe it's not replacing human, but it's also taking away. It might take away what it takes to be a human, like
Yeah.
thinking and everything. Of course, feeling ka we are still doubtful, but also, but basics of thinking and everything, I think brain wise, it can take away from you. It can take away from you. It will not replace you in certain sense, but it will take away things from you which will make you useless.
I mean, we can have a whole separate video, because whenever I give these arguments to people, they say, but even calculator came and it eased our.
That's why I said people have argued with me कि computer was invented, similar talks happened. I'm like, okay, similar talks happened.
No, but
what you're fighting is far worse than computer.
No, it's more aggressive.
Yes.
Because there is a whole, it's computer ने पेपर को खत्म किया, बट पेपर पे आप जो लिख रहे हो वो नहीं चीज खत्म की, वो तुम्हें खुद ही लिखनी पड़ रही थी. So similar, but AI is not doing. Similarly with calculators, it helped you to ease up your calculations, but it did not solve the equation for you. You still had to use your brain. What if there were a machine that were make solving the entire equation for you? You just had to put the equation in it. And you know what it is? Chat GPT. And if we are going into this Black Mirror-esque vibes, Mansi has this huge conspiracy theory.
So it stemmed from a lot of arguments I was having about AI replacing the basic humanity ground pe things, right? We were discussing also communal feelings and everything. So, and also I would just like to add on, Her is one of my favorite movie. So it is also stemming from that. So a lot of things mix here. So what I was discussing is, if AI can satisfy you in every sense, which includes physical, which includes sexual, which includes mental, which includes emotional, then will there be a time that people will not even get a partner for them, human partner for themselves, and replace it with an AI partner, which means there will be no reproduction, and humans from Earth will vanish.
Mm, I mean, it could be a possibility because lot of AI also replicates the hierarchies जो हम लोगों की आती है, जैसे कि ये अपने को सुपीरियर मार्केट करता है, हमें इंफीरियर मार्केट करता है, जैसे कास्ट सिस्टम वर्क करता है, रेस वर्क करता है। तो मे बी हम ह्यूमंस को एट सम पॉइंट लगे कि हम कुछ एआई प्लस ह्यूमन बच्चा बनाएं, तभी कुछ मतलब हमें हमें ह्यूमन बेबी नहीं चाहिए, वो तो इंफीरियर होता है। हमें एक बेबी चाहिए जिसको हम कोड करके उस पर चिप लगा के बनाएं।
And humans obsession with DNAs having a good genes if they are surrogating,
Oh
which means AI will
yes,
giving you free task
कि
कि
बेस्ट
आपको क्या
बच्चा
चाहिए,
बनाओ,
आईआईटी का दिल्ली, हाँ हाँ अभी जाएगा, आईआईटी दिल्ली
बहुत
जाएगा।
सुंदर स्वीनी स्वीनी सिडनी जैसी हो
हाँ।
और संस्कारी हो, उसके जीन्स में डाल दो ये बात। दैट्स ट्रू मानसी, दैट्स लाइक व्हाट इज दैट थिंग कॉल्ड जब आप हाइपोजेनेटिक्स, आई थिंक हम लिख देंगे यहाँ पर एपिजेनेटिक्स।
Oh, I don't know.
Epigenetics. So epigenetics is where you engineer the genes and the DNA of your child and try to make it more superior. So I think that will happen with AI.
That can happen with AI
Ah,
because
that is a proper possibility because the marketing is done super intelligence. हम weak, mortal, बिल्कुल ही disgusting. Even he read this really funny memes कि अभी people are saying they like somebody from the other gender. Now they'll be like, Papa, Mummy, you don't understand. I like that robot. But it is definitely a possibility, and हो सकता है। And then when you have over the years, and we are thinking of far future,
Yeah.
centuries created this kind of demarcation that humans are inferior, AI superior, तो हम social inclusion के लिए AI को ही से शादी करें, है ना?
और हो सकता है एक टाइम आए जब एआई भी रिप्रोड्यूस कर पाया, मुझे नहीं पता ये
अब
बात, फिर
रिप्रोड्यूस कर
अब
वो तो
रिप्रोड्यूस भी कर पाएगा तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती,
पता
इट विल बी
चले कि
आफ्टर मी।
हाँ हम डायनासोर्स की तरह पेरिश हो गए।
हमारे बहुत ही डिस्टोपिक थॉट्स होते हैं, हमने सोचा इस वीडियो में डाल के देखते हैं।
हाँ, and what is really sad is that while researching a little bit of the for this video, there is a lot of video on colonialism when it comes to data mining. But what about ideologies?
Yeah.
What are you creating? What kind of precedents are you setting for the generation that is coming after us? That you can never be good enough to AI. कितनी भी मेहनत कर लो, कितनी भी पढ़ाई कर लो, एआई जितने कभी अच्छी नहीं हो सकते हो, तो फिर आदमी करेगा ही क्यों?
एंड वाइल वी हमें एआई मिला है व्हेन वी वर इन आवर 20s,
मिड 20s, नाउ वी आर इन आवर
बट
लेट 20s।
बच्चे हैं जिन जो अभी पैदा हुए हैं और वो एआई
हम्म
के जमाने में ही पैदा हुए
हम्म
हैं, मे बी दीज AI kids are very, they will also be in a certain level of delusion where they think that they are really intellectual because without like with typing anything they can get any info. We used to, हमारे लिए विकिपीडिया था वो,
हाँ
कि वो फेक इंफॉर्मेशन में we used to take in at certain
हाँ
point.
हाँ, definitely it was like our teachers used to say, oh, we used to go to the library, you do it on Google. So
Yes.
definitely एक change of generation आता ही है, but I feel like the first thing we should do to recognize the manipulation and the systems that go behind pushing such technologies onto you, because that is where they're winning.
Yes.
If you are buying what they're selling, then you are signing your own death trap. Secondly, and like we did here in the video, is to define what it means to be human. Because like I said, for you have to question the scales and parameters of excellence and efficiency and good output and weakness and strength for yourself. It's like, again, that will work like a freedom movement for us कि भाई हम अपने स्किल्स को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे, वो हमें वापस से कंट्रोल लेना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सैम ऑल्टमैन विल गेट ऑल द मनी इन द वर्ल्ड एंड ऑल द पावर इन द वर्ल्ड, but it is happening by the detriment of your well-being. We have just top पे touch किया है. If we go down each in this rabbit hole, the things become more and
More
more darker with
and more
each
aggressive.
aggressive, and you will feel very helpless like we do. And then you're like, you know what,
But we are still doing it on ChatGPT. ChatGPT,
I'm
आपके
feeling,
बारे में ये सोच रही हूँ.
I'm feeling very helpless about you.
And you also expect it to not look like ChatGPT also. Because people
हाँ,
fear that also कि ये ChatGPT की तरह लिखना चाहिए, तो अब कोई डैश नहीं यूज करना चाहता.
एम डैशेस बेचारे विक्टोरियन नॉवल पढ़ के तो सब बेहोश हो जाते.
हाँ.
डू यू नो हाउ मेनी एम डैशेस जेन ऑस्टिन यूज्ड टू यूज?
Exactly. So people fear that, and a lot of time I have written something original and people see a dash, अच्छा ChatGPT से लिखे. I have not used ChatGPT for this.
Mansi
my friend.
actually uses a lot of dashes because I used to photocopy her notes in our undergrad and she uses a lot of dashes.
Now I can't use it. like आप ChatGPT करते हो, नहीं करती हूँ मैं ChatGPT.
And in fact, I read how they use dashes because they have trained on the novels we've read.
Yes.
So that's how that kind of writing has emerged in them. And I think we should just end at this very sad note. But guys, wake up, smell the chat GPT.
And consume our content.
Consume. And for the first time, I will not say that we are brain rotting today because we used our brain.
So just to tell you again, thank you so much if you were still here, if you were still listening to our dystopic ideas, viewers, and if you really liked our theory on how AI is actually colonizing us again, maybe you should subscribe to us, because please do.
How sad that it is a white person again. At least कोई जेंडर ब्लेंडर या कोई
ऐसे ब्लैक आता, अगर हमें ओबामा जी करते तो हम ले लेते.
कभी तो कुछ तो डिफरेंट करो यार, मतलब सेम टू सेम.
Just to end on a note, that AI will always be almost insan.
Oh my god.
So nothing is getting replaced. You are not getting replaced. Just claim your power to question humanity and everything that makes you human. We don't know what makes you human. You, whatever makes you human, just keep that with you. Don't lose that. Okay. So just to end this, we are going to say it again. We are not professionals,
but
but
we are
today
humans.
We are humans.
Yes.
So keep spiraling with us for
no brain rot content. Very very content today. Messy memes, questioning the authority. Today
and more dystopic ideas.
Yes.
Maybe just please subscribe to us if you liked our video today.
अभी करो, अभी हम वेट कर.
Okay, I will do this.
Yes.
हो गए 30 seconds. अरे अभी तक नहीं किया, कर लो भाई. Bye bye. Thank you.
Yay.